Introducing Dymesty AI glasses. You've never worn smart glasses like this before. Subtle intelligence, exceptional efficiency, always ready when you need it. We believe that boosting productivity is especially critical for business professionals. Whether outdoors in a bustling city or focused in a quiet meeting room, amidst information overload, Dymesty helps you identify what matters and act decisively. Featuring an innovative full metal temple design with U-shaped flexible hinges to prevent the discomfort caused by pinching. Precision crafted for a custom fit at just 35 grams, it's exceptionally light. Feeling weightless while offering durable strength, hypoallergenic titanium magnesium frame with skin-friendly lining. Minimalist sophistication realized. For the past 5 years, the Dymesty team has redefined the eyewear experience. By fusing artificial intelligence with ergonomic design into a single pair of glasses, it adapts to any face shape across ethnicities while enhancing your productivity. When inspiration strikes and you need to capture it instantly, simply double-tap the button on the temple to activate your AI assistant for recording ideas. Or when you need full focus for your next meeting, long press the button for 1 second to activate meeting recording. No fumbling for your phone. No changing your dominant hand. Left, right, even both hands. You'll adapt quickly. Meeting notes, schedule reminders, and yes, the real-time translation you've been waiting for.
You can speak your own language.
Hola, en encanto de
Hello.
verte.
It's nice to see you again.
Cette lunette a l'air sympa. Quels sont ces
These glasses look pretty nice. What features do they have?
No more staring at your phone. Voice-guided
Turn.
navigation sets your hands free. Dymesty AI glasses serve as your dedicated productivity companion. Even if you've forgotten your phone,
You left your phone behind.
noisy call environments, NC environmental noise cancellation carves out quiet in the chaos.
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Long press for 3 seconds to activate private mono earpiece mode, helping protect sensitive conversations. Bluetooth 5.3 with aptX HD delivers stable, high fidelity, and low latency audio. Calls sound as clear as face-to-face. Working hard all day. Charge in the morning, power through until evening. Lasting endurance. Featuring a flagship QC chip for ultra-low power consumption and leading battery cell technology. Up to 48 hours of extended battery life to help you stay in peak performance. The Dymesty AI glasses aren't just eyewear. They're your on-the-go efficiency partner and information gatekeeper. Anytime, anywhere, always connected. Dymesty AI glasses, helping you stay clear and composed in the fast-paced world of business. Dymesty, where technology embraces humanity.